day 94 of the rest of my life. 94 days ago, I quit my corporate job to pursue my passion of starting our successful clothing brand MUEL, and to show you that when you align your passions with your purpose, everything and anything is possible. Today on day 94, you guessed it, not one but two jobs. I worked from 7 to 3 and then from 3 to 6. At my first job, I met some incredible people who have been staying at the establishment that I am working at, and we've had conversations over the past couple of days. And today I told them about MUEL because they asked, and obviously these videos have helped me prepare our mission, our vision, and what the brand stands for. So when people ask about the brand, I get so excited because I'm able to spread what we've been working on and show them everything and all the work that we've been putting in throughout these 94 days. So when I first arrived at work, I obviously got into the flow of things, and then people started to come in. And yesterday I met a gentleman and his wife who came in on short notice and got a room. I helped them out, and he told me today, after I was working and busting the tables, doing my thing, he gave me a tip, and on his way out, he pulled me aside and we started to have a conversation, and he told me that he himself was a doctor, and he asked me what I was doing, why I was here. He overheard me talking to another group about MUEL, and he asked me about the brand. So I told him, our brand is MUEL. Similar to the animal mule, we stand for resilience, hard work, perseverance. We stand for pushing through those tough moments on our journeys and taking slow and steady steps toward our ultimate goals. Whatever your goal is, we take those steps every single day. And I showed him our Shopify website where we have our 5 W's, our why we started MUEL. We started MUEL because we wanted to empower ourselves and the community to band together and break away from what people have placed on us as labor-intensive animals that can be easily trained and whipped to do this, and whipped to do this task. But no, that's not us. We use our hard work, and we use our strength and our resilience and our surefootedness and our vision to our own benefit, and we don't allow others to take advantage of us. And he read through that, and he was amazed, and we had this long conversation. He was giving me all types of fist bumps, giving me all types of love, and we were talking. Him and his wife and another one of his group members came, and he was also into the internet business and e-commerce, and he gave me some helpful tips. I also showed his wife my social medias, and they were very interested. He also told me that if I ever wanted to go into healthcare, to give him a call. He gave me his card, and that gave me the boost I needed, because on my way to work today, I prayed for the first time in forever. And I was like, I don't know what lesson I need to learn. I don't know when I'm going to be able to quit these jobs and move on and do this business full time. I know there's a reason why I haven't quit yet, and why I'm still going to work, and why I'm choosing to still go and waste time. But I just asked for some guidance and some peace of mind and some trust in the vision, some trust in the mission, and to let me know that I'm on the right path. And that moment, being able to speak with him and his wife, and also the other guests who have been very, kind to me, who are also from Long Island, kind to me, asking me about MUEL, supporting me, and I really appreciate that, that shout out and that feedback. That was a direct result of me asking for what I needed and asking for the guidance. So that was an amazing experience, and it gave me the push I needed. And he was telling me he himself had this journey where he was from the Bronx. His parents were immigrants who immigrated here, and he had a thick accent. He didn't know English when he first got here, but all he did was continue to work. He applied for 30 med schools. No one gave him a shot. He kept pushing, and he finally got to his desired goal through perseverance, and he told me to take that risk. And today I want you to take that risk. Soon we will take that risk. In time, I know we will exit at the right time. We have the funds we need for our shirts. Now it's a matter of waiting for them to be produced and then seeing how long we can make it through while also selling these shirts. The plan is to sell these 110 shirts and then reevaluate from there, but who knows what the future holds. Today is different from yesterday, and tomorrow will be different from today. So we just got to continue fighting and continue taking steps towards our goal. This is my step today. Talking to those people about MUEL and practicing our mission, our vision, and what we stand for is also a step. So we're going to keep going. And then at the second job, same deal, talking to people, staying sharp, staying focused, making sure I'm knocking the rust off and interacting with people every single day, because at these pop-up events, that's what I'm going to be doing, but at a more rapid rate, and I'm going to have to be quick on my feet, and I'm going to have to be able to tell them the vision and communicate what the brand stands for. So I'm staying sharp, talking to people, not hiding away here up in the mountains in my room all day. So it is very beneficial, but still need to reclaim our time at some point. I spoke with some of my coworkers today, telling them about the mission and asking them about some places that we can go and sell our shirts. I spoke with one of my coworkers who goes to a local high school, and they are having a state playoff game this Friday. I have work. We'll see what happens, but if the shirts are ready next Friday, the 17th, I will be there. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. That is where mules are. That is where the community is. That is where it would be a perfect opportunity to tell people, about our brand and to create content, asking people who are in the stage of determining what they want to do for the rest of their lives, what they want to do when they grow up, and also giving them some symbols of purpose. We have a new tee coming out. Super excited to share that with you guys. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Share this with someone who needs to hear this. Share this with someone who is questioning the journey, who is scared to take risk, and who is not doing what they need to be doing. I'm going to share this with myself because I've noticed these past couple of days I've been shying away from jumping into it and risking being hungry, not being able to pay those student loans, not being able to pay my rent, and making it too easy on myself instead of trying to figure out how to get that money and trying to figure out how to do it on my own as an entrepreneur. So soon that time will come, sooner maybe than later. We will see. But let's keep pushing. Let's try to finish out what we started, get these shirts printed, and move on from there. Determine what we need to grow this business and be successful, and just keep pushing. So I will take that risk. I am not afraid to take that risk. When the time is right, the time is now, but we need to make sure that we have the minimum amount to get these shirts. So I will take that risk. Trust me, I'm learning, I'm growing every single day, just like you, getting over these fears and learning these lessons. Do not be like me and spend money on things you don't need. When you feel inadequate or you feel like there's something missing, just save it, put it into your business, put it into your assets. Trust me, I just learned that lesson today. But let me stop talking. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to stop rambling. I appreciate you guys for watching. Again, you can share this with me. I'm scared of taking that risk. I'm scared of not finding a way to make $600 a month. Like, that's nothing. Come on. I could easily do that, and I will do that. But I want you guys to hold me accountable. Share this with me if you got my number. You feel me? Tell me to take that risk. Tell me to go out and do what I need to do to make this brand successful and utilize my time to my advantage, because time is the most important asset. Money comes and goes. Thank you guys so much for watching. That's the 4th time I done said that, so you better subscribe. See you tomorrow. Let's win from within today.